Including carry-on baggage and checked bags, to avoid transporting items without their masks.
Should I have went all? Oh, I could go straight down that way. Okay.
Let me see what you have.
Yeah.
Flip in the middle.
To number.
In the middle.
Okay.
I don't know what number exactly.
Okay. I'm a slow walker.
Le digo un poco.
42G. I think it's over there.
G? Yes.
Larger electronic devices like laptops must be stowed prior to 24 closure, either in a bag under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Laptops may not be stowed in seat pockets. Once again, please note those smaller personal items, those purses, backpacks, and so forth, need to go under the seat in front of you. And just one larger bag in the overhead bin. Please be sure the bin can close, and if it's full, feel free to close it. Welcome aboard.
As you need to we appreciate you joining us this afternoon. We'll be underway here in just a couple minutes. Once again, welcome aboard.
Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you.
Larger electronic devices must be placed in a bag. Handheld portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secured.
Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear. If you lose an electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for help.
As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift belt fasten when the seatbelt sign is on, is interrupted.
Federal regulation, all crew members' instructions, along with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors.
There are 8 exits on this plane. The forward 2 window exits have, in the event of an evacuation, leave all bags behind. Carry-in baggage will slow the evacuation. All exits are clearly marked with the green exit symbol. Locate the nearest exits and remember, they might be behind you. If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisles to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull a mask or streamer down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, light vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the Ladies and gentlemen, we are landing right now. We do need customers in their seats with their seatbelts securely fastened. Welcome to Atlanta with a local time is 3:52 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry on at the stowage until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight, and please ensure you have all of your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Flight Delta app for important baggage and connection information. For customers requesting a wheelchair on arrival, we will advise you upon reaching the gates when assistance is available to disembark the aircraft. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value and use your responses to improve your future travel experience. On behalf of this Atlanta-based crew, thank you for helping us celebrate 100 years of flight. We look forward to seeing you soon. And we have arrived 15 minutes early today. While we're waiting for the boarding doors to open, please take this time to look around and make sure you